Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Here is a simple bread gulab jamun recipe which you can easily prepare them at home with bread slices. You can serve bread gulab jamuns as a dessert after meal. So without wasting time, let's move on to the video. First, let's make the sugar syrup. In a vessel, I have taken 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water. And I am going to melt the sugar. Now I am going to add 3 cardamom to it. And we'll cook the syrup for about 8 to 10 minutes. I have taken 6 bread slices. From this we can make around 10 to 12 gulab jamuns. Now I am going to cut off the ends. Cut the bread into pieces. Next, take a mixie jar, add all the bread pieces into the mixie jar and we will make bread crumbs from this. Take a bowl and add prepared breadcrumbs. To this I am going to add milk. Here I have taken half cup of milk. You don't need too much milk, just little till it forms a dough. So first here I have added 3 tablespoons of milk. Now I am going to mix it well with breadcrumbs. So I am feeling it is too dry. So I am going to add another 6 to 7 tablespoons of milk. While kneading the dough, if you feel dry, then only add the milk, otherwise make a soft dough. You can see I have mixed it like a nice thick dough. And also you can see here this much of milk is left. As you can see here, our sugar syrup also ready. Now I am going to turn off the flame. And next I am going to add rose water. Rose water will give you extra flavor and good smell to the gulab jamun. Now take small portion from this dough in your palm and shape them in the form of round balls. You can shape it to your desired size. And keep the ball on a plate. Similarly, all the dough. Next, place a kadai over medium flame and heat oil in it. When the oil is hot enough, add the balls in it and fry these until golden brown. Now I am going to take out from the oil. Now transfer the fried balls in a bowl containing sugar syrup. Keep them in it for half an hour. And that's it. Serve these hot or cold as per your like and enjoy this dessert. If you like this recipe, please give a thumbs up to my video and subscribe to my channel. Share with your friends and family. Thank you for watching my video.